The next day, I left a brand new, admittedly generic, world's best boss mug on her desk with a note. She found me later at the water cooler, holding it up, barely suppressing a laugh. "It's sweet," she said, "but my grandmother made the other one." And then she added, "But thanks, you can buy me a real coffee sometime to make up for it." That sometime turned into an awkward first coffee downstairs, then an equally clumsy dinner where I spilled water on my shirt, then a second, and a third, and somehow all those missteps and fumbled attempts became us. My routine didn't vanish, the spreadsheet still existed, and the coffee machine still spat out questionable brews, but now there was a warmth, a ridiculousness, a sense of belonging that had been completely absent. The chipped bird mug still sits on her desk, though she makes sure to keep it out of my reach. It's a quiet reminder that sometimes, the biggest changes sneak up on you disguised as the most mundane, embarrassing mistakes.